Yo, you been building for 6 months straight. Same GitHub repo, no launch date. We got something for you, homie, listen up. Time to put your money where your cursor was. You got cursor open, clawed in your ear. Spinning up an app every other week this year. 20 side projects, 0 in prod. The vibes are immaculate, but the ship date's a fraud. Stack it on the line now, set a deadline, man. Pooper.AI is the master plan. You stake your cash and you pick the date. Miss it and your money funds the thing you hate. 15% little man. That's a cut when you stake what's in your hand. If that product doesn't ship, then you owe to the thing you hate most. There it goes, there it goes. 15% little man. Put that shit in my hand. Ship on time and your dollars come back. But float and we're putting you on the plaque, the float plaque. Wall of shippers on the left, they're legends forever. Wall of floaters on the right, yeah, you know better. The whole community's watching the timelines live. You really wanna fund the thing you hate to survive. Loss aversion hits different when the stakes are real. 2 times harder to lose than it is to fail to win. So we weaponize that psychology. Ship or donate, that's the whole anthology. 15% little man. That's our cut when you stake what's in your hand. If that product doesn't ship, then you owe to the thing you hate most. There it goes, there it goes. 15% little man. Put that shit in my hand. Ship on time and your dollars come back. But float and we're putting you on the plaque, the float plaque. We don't sell motivation, we sell consequences. Vibe coders got the tools, but they got no fences. AI built your MVP in a Saturday session. Now Pooper.AI's giving you the final lesson. Ship that, ship that, ship that, ship that. 15% win or lose, we eat. Your stakes on the line every time you tweet. The sheet just works, that's the whole campaign. Pooper.AI, say the name again. Pooper.AI, Pooper.AI. Ship that, ship that, ship that, ship. Pooper.AI, Pooper.AI. Ship that, the thing you hate most. Ship that shit.